What's up guys, I'm here with another video today. I'm going to be showing you how to install these Diode Dynamics switchback lights on my 2017 Mustang GT. So basically why I got these is because one of my turn signal lights are out, or maybe you just wanted to pick these up and you thought they looked better than the original OEM look. So my problem I ran into is when I unlock my car or when I turn on the signal, as you can see, when I unlock my car, it turns on, right? That little light blinks. On this side, nothing. So basically, whenever this light's out, this tends to happen. So whenever your bulb goes out, as you can see, it starts to indicate really fast, unlike the other one. You hear it? So that's normal, and then that shouldn't be. But when you install these switchback lights, it's gonna make that fast repeating indicating noise. So if that bothers you, you can get a module or I forgot what it was called. It was a regulator or something that Diode Dynamics can send you, and you can actually make the turn signal indicator to motion the same speed as OEM normal. So if you really want, it's up to you. You can go buy it, go pick it up. But I mean, for me personally, I don't really care. It doesn't bother me too much. So, but if you're one of those people that you know, it gets under your skin, hearing that noise, it's just too annoying, you know, just go ahead and go pick that up, and you can install the module yourself and you should be good to go. But anyways, here's the rest of the video. We're gonna go ahead and get started. So what you're wanting to do is get to the front fender of your car, front wheel, front left or right first, don't matter. And there's gonna be these pins, 3 pins all along this little fender line. You're gonna wanna pop them out, and then this, you're just gonna wanna wiggle it out. All right, sorry guys, so here's a better camera angle for you guys. It should focus. So when you get in there, you see that orange one and then that small looking gray one with the line going right next to it. Those are the 2 you're gonna wanna pull out. But before I show you that, when I said that you have to pull these pins out, just grab a flathead, some sort of a little thing to use to pop these suckers out. They should just pop right out, and then you should be able to feed your hand through there. Alright guys, so I kind of stopped the video because I wanted to show you a better angle, and I did an extra step just to show you guys. I took off my wheel just because I wanted to show y'all. I have an impact gun and a torque wrench so I can properly put it back anyways. So I took out this extra pin down here so I could literally just go like this as much as I want. I already pulled out all the little bulbs and the little pins. So basically these 2, right, they're gonna be stuck up here, and you'll see them, they're gonna be clear as day. You're gonna wanna turn counterclockwise, and when you put them back in, you put them clockwise. So it should be pretty straightforward. The big one goes with the big one, the smaller ones go with the smaller ones right here. And same thing on the other side. As you can see. And then here's the big one I took out. And you're gonna wanna do the same thing. Just grab the bigger one and then plug it right in. There you go. And then you're gonna want to put it back in clockwise, okay? So put it back in there. Want to be careful, don't want to break anything. Put it in the right angle. You'll feel it. It'll feel like a little Lego piece. Basically sliding right in. There you go. Okay. And put everything back. Alright guys. So, got one side on finally. This is what one side looks like. So yeah, as you can see, so it indicates that it's unlocked, then all of a sudden it goes back to white. So let me show you with the signal on. Alright. There you go. There it is. And you just do it to the same side on the other side. Hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe, it really help the support. And hope you guys come back and enjoy my videos. See you guys.